getting ready for powder coat, separating the upper grill from that. Basically, the color needs to be this color right here. See, these are the upper rails to the floorboards. More parts that we're going to change to blue that are in here. So that would be a contrast between metal and that. We'll leave the aluminum on there, and we're going to just do it like that. So, a lot more stuff here. Be back in a second. You see, when you're building something, it takes plotting and planning and organizations, trial and error to come up with something. For example, on this bike here that I built a few years back, it took plotting and planning to get all these things synced up. And as one would say, it's all in the details. As you can see up in here, all in the details. On the screw work, the details of stuff. You know, it's in the little things that you can't see until you really look at it. And you start to say, hey, okay, oh, okay, okay. So, yeah, that part. With that being said, all in the details, we're going to take it to the detail on the new one. All this right here is going to get reworked. Here, and all this here for the stuff, the scenes behind the scenes, for the new color of the transformation. Yeah, so work in progress. Like I said, yeah, stuff on stuff. A total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 parts plus the washers. Pause. Let's see what we got here. Well, let me try all over again and make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Correct. Pause. With a total of 76 plus or minus 1. Those 18 plus 76 washers represent 76 other screws that are going to get switched on this motorcycle. Yeah. Okay, let's keep pushing. When you're going in this deep, it's only a personal thing. We're not in competition with nobody. It's just certain things I did before, and as I do it over, I got a system to it, so it made it much easier. For example, rear shocks 4W, that's when you get a washer. That's the example. Those are the ones you buy, you get the washers. Brake caliper, front, holder, bam bam, triple tree, and the lower triple tree stuff there. You got rear bag support, 2 with 2 washers, powder coated. Got to get them powder coated to be the color I want to go. So, you know, all the details. I did this once before, so it's not that hard now.